So we're asked to graph the function y equals 2 square root x plus 6, and we have to find the domain range. All right, so I've put in points already for 2, y equals 2 of square root x. Okay, there it is, right there. Just gonna change the color of that so that it's a nice color. Okay, so I got a red. Now let's make that orange. Orange line there that shows us 2 square root x. All right, now I have to do the plus 6. Since the plus 6 is outside, you can just add 6 onto each of the y values. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 8 plus 6 is 14. There are my red dots. They show me where this is supposed to go. And now let's see, how do we have it? And there you go. You can see it. It's here as another orange line. We could switch that, let's say, to green. But you can see how this works. Our domain here, you notice they always start down here. Our original domain started at excuse me, 0, 0. This one will start at 0, 6. So our domain is anything, all real numbers greater than 0. And our range is also anything greater than this point. So in this case, it's anything greater than 6 because we shifted everything up by 6. And that's it. That's all there is to transforming square root functions. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to graph the function y equals the cube root of x minus 5. Now notice the minus 5 is under the cube root. That makes everything funky. When it's in with the x's, weird stuff happens. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to add on 5 to each of our x values, because inside the function it's going to subtract off 5 when it goes to graph. And we'll see what that looks like. So we're going to add on 5 to each of our x values. Here we go. Negative 8 plus 5 gives me negative 3. Negative 1 plus 5 gives me 4. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. And that last point's hard to see. It's 8 plus 5 is 13. So now you can see all my points are here, and they're just shifted over from where they were on that function before. Let's take a look at what that function looks like. Bam. So the blue is our function, and you can see it's just shifted over by 5 to the right from our original function. What's the domain and range, you say? Well, the domain and range have to be, well, let's see. Domain, everything here can be in the domain. If we go and zoom out forever and ever, we can see there's no holes, there's no gaps. So the domain is all real numbers. And the range, well, the range is also all real numbers because the y values continue going up and the x values continue going up.